In this video, we're going to explore a factoring technique called difference of cubes. It's a really useful factoring technique that a lot of people miss, but is particularly useful for those more challenging problems, as well as on contests. So difference of cubes, you can prove it to yourself, but it really comes down to a formula. And it's down here. If I have x cubed minus y cubed, I can rewrite that as x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. There's lots of ways to memorize this. I always memorize that a difference of cubed is going to be a minus in the first bracket and then plus in the second bracket. But we can talk about different ways to memorize this. But just a quick little note, well, what's a cube number? A cube number is a number that can be represented as the product of a number 3 times. So, for example, we might have 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So 8 is a perfect cube. 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. So 27 is a perfect cube. I might have something like x times x times x, which is x cubed. Or x squared times x squared times x squared. Remember, if we were multiplying exponents with a common base, we add their power. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 is x to the 6. That's a perfect cube. We might have 2y times 2y times 2y, which gives me 8y cubed. So all we have to do is identify do we have two perfect cubes and a subtraction sign? In this case, yes, we do. So I'm going to start by writing the brackets. And I know the cubed root of x cubed is x. So x. The cubed root of 8 is 2, so that's x minus 2. And then x squared. And then plus. So it's the cubed root of the first one times the cubed root of the second one. So that's 2x. Because the cubed root of 8 is 2, and the cubed root of x cubed is x. And then plus, and the cubed root of 8 is 2 squared. So that gives me x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus, and I would write 2 squared as 4. And I'm done.